The space industry is probably going through the biggest changes currently in the world. So you have traditional players like the big players who've been in this business for decades, and then there's a new world, almost like a startup culture. So these two worlds are starting to collide and they compete. One world wants to be faster and more agile, the other one wants to be as reliable as the big guys. If you expose modern electronics to harsh environments like extreme heat or radiation, like radiation you would see in space, these electronics typically stop working or even get destroyed in some instances. So to harden a chip against these harsh environments, you really have two choices today. One is what we call hardened by design, which typically means the product gets much more expensive, it gets bigger in size. The second one is actually you produce that part in a very specialized, super expensive technology platform. HARDSIL is a secret sauce which we are able to insert into a standard manufacturing process of semiconductor manufacturing. It's totally disruptive to the traditional approach because we're using the best of both of these worlds. On the design side, we don't use a special technology or special rules to design it. We use the same design rules as you would use for designing a computer chip or a smartphone chip. And on the manufacturing side, instead of using a very specialized process, we use a standard, off-the-shelf semiconductor manufacturing process we can transfer to any fab in the world. You're going to get a much more cost-competitive and a much faster solution to the market than traditional techniques. It's the right time to disrupt a market which is in transition. We have the proven technology, we have the right talents, and we have the right mindset to make that transition happen.